Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another, Ramble session? I don't know, another video on a Tuesday? Oh, yes, okay. So, I thought I would come in here, I got home from work a little bit ago, and yeah, yesterday's video, the Ramble session, I put up, and it just had like a lot of info and a lot of fun stuff in it, but it didn't really have much of what I've been doing, I don't think. So I wanted to show you what I've been doing. Yeah. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can see the videos that are coming up. You know, you can be notified if you click that little bell. So do that if you are so inclined. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So let's get going. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you, this is my, well, this I'll get into in a second. But this book right here is my, let me think, September, October book, okay? Now, this is my July and August book, and I am almost done with it. I do need to finish up some pages in August, not too worried about it. I just need to go back in. Some pages are semi-decorated, some pages are all the way decorated, some pages just need journaling. So, I've been working on that slowly but surely. I did have a great day at work today. I am happy to say, because last week was rough, okay? It was rough. Not gonna lie. But this morning, I read from my Jesus Calling book. I prayed, Lord help me, and he did. So, yeah, I had a great day at work today. Busy as all get out. It was my long day. I didn't get home until like 3:30. But I have really been working. These are the only 2 pages, I do believe, that I have not completed yet. Okay, like last week, okay, evening meltdown. Here I had a morning meltdown. Okay, melancholy. It was a rough week, right? But over the weekend, I came in here and worked on some other fun stuff. Now, some pages these are all pretty much complete, you know, and this is in September. So I'm staying fairly current, and yes, I am fairly proud of that. I still have to go back in my August and look through my stuff, and I'll do that when I have the time or inclination. But I wanted to come in and just film like what's been going on in my book. So over the weekend, I did watch Joey DeFee's video on how to make this pocket now. She is very much into vintage papers and beautiful, beautiful vintage images and all of that. If y'all know me, y'all know I am a colorful hot mess. So I made one of the Joey pockets, and I made it sort of like in my style. It is almost exactly like she did it, but I use different papers. You know, I have vintage stuff, but it's just not really my style. So you can take whatever ideas, you know, that somebody else brings to you and shares so freely. So thank you, Joey, so much for all of your talent and your time and your patience in showing us how to make these beautiful pockets that you make. The thing for me is that you don't have to make them out of exactly, you know, what she's making them out of. Use what you have. And that's what I like doing. I like to use what I have. I have colorful papers, so that's what I use. And so that's what I've been doing. And this, it has so many pockets. It's so much fun, okay? Here's the back of it, if you can see it. This is about my husband just being my safe place to fall. My soft place to fall. I loved it. It was a meme I found online. And the pocket itself I tipped in because I really just liked this page, and yeah, I want my fairy tale life back, but that's how I was feeling on Saturday. But had a great day today, so just wanted to tell you that things are hopefully going to smooth out for me as far as work goes. But this right here has one pocket here that I did some private journaling on. I just went ahead and typed it up because I had a lot to say. And this paper here is from the lovely, look at that luscious dyed paper. It's from the lovely Christy Biddleston, so I will be sure to put her link down below. And so within Joey's pocket, there is, you know, one main pocket in the back, right? And then you have, like, I'll take all this stuff out, okay? So then you have this pocket right here. Then you have actually two pockets in here, right? So there's a pocket there, and then there's a pocket there, and then there's another pocket here, okay? So 1, 2, 3, right? 3, 4, 5 pockets, right? Today I had a lot to say on this particular day. So yeah, I loved the idea of so many pockets. So that's what I did here. This is inside here is just a little note of, you know, a little tag of that it was gloomy and rainy out, and of what I did, right? And I got this little cute little baggie in a Happy Mail. I put here that I did a ramble session that day, filmed it. This is about, oh my word, all these hurricanes and storms and whatnot. You know, we've got the fires on the West Coast and we've got storms on the East Coast. It's going crazy, folks. Okay, so that goes in to this pocket right here. And then I have this one here. And this I had found on a YouTube channel. I liked what it had to say. I printed it out and put it on a tag just to remember it by. These little things right here are just washi tape, you know. Instead of using ribbon or whatnot, you can just use washi tape. So, oh yeah, and on the back I have the West Coast fires. So, yeah, East Coast weather, West Coast weather, we're just getting it from all different directions. So I love these pockets so much. So this morning before work, I came in, I had a little bit of extra time. Granted, it was probably before 7 in the morning. And I thought, you know what, let me just go through my stash and let me see what I have to make these little pockets. So these pockets right here, and I don't have the book with me. I could get it really fast. These are from Molly and Rex journals. I'm still right here in my room. I'm just getting the book that I got them from. This is what they are right here, Molly and Rex journals. I love these journals. They are so beautiful and their papers are so pretty. And I used to collect them. I used to hoard them. And then when we moved craft rooms, I was like, why am I keeping all of these? I could use these, right? And so this is sewn in. Some of it is sewn in and glued in. So what I did was I popped the strings and I come up with all of these, right? All of these pages, right? Now, I can use these in a variety of ways. I can use them to make journal pages. I can use them to make journals themselves. But I thought it would be fun to make these little Joey pockets out of them. Super fun. All of these little things are just from my stash, right? Why is that not glued? Oh, I'll have to glue that again. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make these beautiful pockets, head on over to Joey's last video. I will have it linked below, of course, so check that out. But all of this, like this is actually, this second pocket right here, I took a Molly and Rex page and I cut the spine off to size, right? And then I did the folding like Joey shows you on her video, and that's how I made this pocket here. These are scraps. I went through my bin of scrapbook paper. It's like thin cardstock, right? It's not paper. It's a little bit thicker, but not as thick as cardstock. Anyway, so that's what I used to make these little pockets here, and then still more scraps, right, to make the pocket here. And then I can go in and fill all of these little things up, right? And then I'm gonna, of course, sew it around here to make the main pocket, which is in here on the top, okay? So I just loved this idea, and it's a really great idea, not only when you have like a lot of things to journal about and you need a lot of tucks, tags, and pockets to journal all of your stuff. You could use it as a tip in like I did and put something on the back, or you could actually glue this right into your book. So it's so versatile. I love it so much. And then the other thing that I thought too is because I've been so lax on Happy Mail, please forgive me. I've been slightly busy lately, but these would make great little, you know, just pockets for Happy Mail, right? You sew it around and you've got, how many did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, wait. Yeah, 3, 4, 5 pockets, right? So you can put so many different things in here, right? Like I've got a pile of these, you know, like little what are they called? Vinyl stickers, right? So I could fill this up, this little pocket up with cute little stickers, right? I could put a homemade tag in here. I could put even like magazine clippings depending on who I am sending this to. I can put all kinds of things in here, and then I could put like tag or dyed papers in here, or a homemade, yeah, a handmade envelope, another tag in here. It's just a really fabulous way to pack up a little package, right, to send in Happy Mail. I just think it's so much fun. And I think it would be a great idea to do that. Now, let me just get my ruler out here. This is, all in all, it's almost 6 inches, okay, not quite, by 8 inches. This would actually fit into a 6x9 clasp envelope. I don't have those right now. I'm gonna have to try to get some maybe at the Dollar Tree or something. But what a cute little gift to give to somebody. You know, they could use it in their journal. You pack it full of fun stuff, and you have a sweet little Happy Mail that they can then empty out, do whatever they want to do with it, put it in their journal, tip it in, glue it in, do whatever they want. So yeah, I just wanted to come and share that with you. Just, that's what I've been working on, and I'm gonna do up a whole bunch of them and see where they go. Who knows? But even like, you know, I have like these little magazine clippings, you know, if they fit in the pocket, they can go in the pocket, they can go in here, you know, it all depends on to whom you're sending the Happy Mail, you know. But I just thought it was such a great idea. I just had a lot of things to write about on this day, and the pockets really helped me out, you know, to be able to include everything that I wanted to include on that one day. And in all honesty, it's not all that thick, you know. I mean, I usually put a lot of stuff in these books, and yeah, it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It's fairly flat, in all honesty. So that's what I've been doing. And so I'm keeping up in my September book fairly well. And then, like I said, in my August book, see, like on these pages, I just need my journaling to be done. That's it, right? This one I need to do. This just needs journaling. So yeah, this is all done. Maybe I just need, nope, did journaling there too. I need to do the journaling here. Yeah, did journaling here, need to do the journaling here. So yeah, in August, I still need to go back and go through my notes, but a lot of the pages are pretty well done or decorated. I just need to do the journaling. So yes, there you have it. So I know this is a really short video, and it was just kind of like off the cuff video because I was sitting out on my patio with my husband. I'm like, you know, I feel like doing a video. And I know yesterday's Ramble session was quite long, but it didn't really show kind of like what I was working on. I don't think it had a lot of information in it. So if you missed that, go on back to that Ramble session and watch that. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up on what's going on in my journals, because that is what this channel is about. So yes. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And don't forget, these pockets are so much fun. So if you want to, you know, learn how to make these pockets a la Joey Jaffe, then yes, I will leave all the links below so that you can go learn how to make them. They're super easy and super versatile and just super fun. Use them for your book, use them to send a bunch of little Happy Mail stuff in. I don't think it would cost all that much. You just need, like, you know, a 6x9 clasp envelope. So I think I'm gonna, you know, continue to work on these and see what kind of things I can stuff in here. You know, you could always stuff a tea bag in here if you wanted to. I mean, the possibilities are endless, you know, the possibilities are endless. Like here, I'm looking right here, like I love these little, you know, calendar things, they have quotes on them. So of course you could stick those in there. You could cut them down a little bit and they would fit right in that pocket, right? So that would be super cute. Oh, they might even fit just going that way. Maybe I'd cut the bottom off. I don't know. Anyway, so many ideas, right? You can stuff them full. It's like a stuffed pocket. It could be in the end. So I just wanted to share that with you, what's going on with my journal. I am keeping up, and yeah, I'm gonna have more flip throughs for you and coming up. And of course, you know, I want to get back to my glue booking and all of that stuff. So hopefully those will be coming up as well. And yeah, again, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And yeah, this is just like a little bonus video for you, because why? Because I can, because I have the time. I miss you guys so much. I miss, you know, having like a normal filming schedule. But yeah, this was fun, and thank you for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're having a great week, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll talk at y'all soon. Bye for now.